Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the battery. Here scroll down again to find battery percentage, and as you can see in my case this option is turned off, so simply tap on the switcher and your device will immediately display the percentage next to the battery icon, and this is the only way to show battery percentage here on the status bar. So for example, you cannot show it inside the battery icon, only next to it. Of course you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.